new unit, air compressor. So in diagram, here is a compressor and here is shaft and here is prime mover. So prime mover give the energy of the shaft is give the energy of a compressor. So you can say this prime mover is working like a driver and here shaft is rotate and provide the energy of the compressor. So what is compressor? Compressor is a mechanical device that increase the pressure of a gas by reducing its volume. Yeah, you can say compressor is one of the device that we run with the help of prime mover. Prime mover provide energy. You can say his work like a driver. Compressed air is air which has high pressure. Here air inside the compressor and compressor is increases pressure. It's nothing but is a high pressure coming out from that compressor and his reduce his volume. Generally I am talking about a reciprocating compressor. So reciprocating compressor, here you can say is a compressor, compressed air is coming out from this compressor is high pressure and volume reduce. You can say yeah, decrease volume. Why you use the compressed air? Generally used in air refrigeration, you can say, you can see in your life. For cleaning purpose we use blast furnace, supercharging of IC engine. In many application of compressed air used in your life, I am going to explain only for this. Now I am going to classification of compressed air. Generally compressor divide into two groups. One is positive displacement type compressor, second is rotodynamic type compressor. Now I am coming on rotodynamic type compressor. Rotodynamic type compressor is also divided into two types. One is centrifugal compressor, second one is axial flow compressor. This one is not in our syllabus, so I can leave it this. Now I'm coming on positive displacement type compressor. Positive displacement type compressor is also divided into two types. One is a reciprocating compressor, second one is a rotary compressor. Where is high pressure required, you are use reciprocating compressor, but you require medium pressure, then you can go for rotary compressor. Now rotary compressor also divided into two parts. One is blower type, second one is vent type. It's not important for us, so I am going to explain reciprocating type compressor. Reciprocating compressor are also divided into two types. One is single acting reciprocating compressor, another is double acting reciprocating compressor. So it's very important because this is in our syllabus. I am already discussed all type of compressor. You can show in here. I am already told you reciprocating compressor used for to produce high pressure. And is also divided into two parts: single acting reciprocating compressor and double acting reciprocating. So what is single acting reciprocating compressor? You can show here. Here the piston, here is connecting rod and crank, or he is rotate about and that direction. So piston moving top dead center to bottom dead center. So here in the diagram, in single acting reciprocating compressor, suction, compressor and delivery acting one side of the piston. So here is, you can see, air is inlet, a suction you can say, or air outlet from the delivery. All these processes are happen, suction, compression and delivery, all these processes are happen in one side of the piston. But in case of double acting reciprocating compressor, suction, compressor and delivery acting both side of the piston. So in the diagram, here is suction, here is deliver from that direction, and from the one side, and another side also you can see, here is air, suction in this direction, and this one is delivery from the other side of the piston. You can say the both side of piston, all the process are happen, suction, compression and delivery. Now third one is single stage reciprocating compressor. In this compressor of a gas, deliver is one side of the cylinder, sorry, only one cylinder, means all process are happen, only one cylinder are given. But in case of multi-stage reciprocating compressor, final pressure is carried out in more than one cylinder, means you can say this, here is more than one cylinder are given in the case of multi-stage reciprocating compressor. So today I am explain all classification of compressor